Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get right into the charts. As Bitcoin is right now still hanging around the value area high right here. As you can see, we did manage to stay above this very key level. We also do have our daily open right here just above this value area high. And we also, unfortunately, do have this weekly R3 still to break in order for us to get some more upside. Right now, I want to talk about the two possible scenarios that may happen. The first one is we do some more consolidation and then we go for the highs right here. Basically, this very important line that we have from back in 2024. During the summer range, which was the all-time high for Bitcoin. Right now, we do have this level as very key resistance, as you can see right here. And I do believe that we could potentially get another move towards that level. Basically, it's going to be like 6.5% move, not that much, but still, if measured from the lows right here, all the way up there, it's going to be like almost 17% of a move for Bitcoin. And the second scenario that I want to talk about right now is basically this right here. Let me just put it in like this. Basically from here being the local top right now, and that we are due for at least like one more correction to the downside. Maybe test that weekly open level, or maybe the Monday low and the monthly open again before we actually go for the highs once again, since we are still basically hanging around this value area high. We are not that out of the woods yet as I would like to be, but still for the last 5 videos I have been calling for this move up from the range lows, and we did manage to catch this move right here, which was pretty nice move, around 10% for Bitcoin. And for ETH, it was around 16%. So very nice moves that we got. A lot of people were bearish right here. And right now, I do believe that a lot of people are starting to get very bullish. And this is why I am also considering that second scenario, in which we actually drop down once again to flush out those late long positions right here before we actually go and take out the highs. But as you can see, if right now, if we start dropping below 70.8k and we actually do get a candle close below this level, we are going to be getting accepted back into this range. So we might go all the way down to 67.8k, something like this. Stock market is also at very key resistance. You can see we hit this very key level right here, and price as of right now is failing to get above it. And if they also start retracing the stock market, basically the equities, we could still see that pullback happen for Bitcoin. Same thing for the Nasdaq right here. Basically we are hitting some of these levels right here previously. You can see those order blocks, they are acting previously as support, and right now they are acting as resistance. The dollar is still looking potentially to drop more, which is why I am keeping myself, as I said, 2 trade plans that I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, because if the dollar starts actually dropping sharply right here below the EMAs, something like this, then we could very well see Bitcoin pump easily. Also looking at gold right now, if gold continues to range and push right here, we could still see Bitcoin pump. Of course, they are not correlated, but I have seen like the past couple of times when gold is dumping, so is Bitcoin, and when gold is pumping, so is Bitcoin. So pretty nice also to watch out for that. If we look at the open interest, you can see right now we are trading above this VWAP right here, but if we start getting below it, then as I said, we could get this whole move retraced once again, and Bitcoin could drop down to around 67.8k, basically this low right here. It is possible. As I said, open interest right now is not that high. You can see CVD is still high, but if the delta also starts dropping towards the downside, then I do expect basically the price to follow. Liquidation heat map, you can see we have most of the liquidity as of right now still sitting on the downside. So this is also one of the other reasons that I do believe we could potentially get a retrace towards the downside. But again, as I said, I am still leaning bullish as long as we don't lose this value area high level right here. Fear and Greed Index right now remaining at 43. We are still in that neutral zone. Spot ETFs, we did get some sales again yesterday. Only BlackRock bought, as you can see, 40 million, but the other big institutions, they did sell off. So overall, we come to almost 100 million of spot ETFs selling. Not that great, but still, we did have some massive buys on Monday. Long versus shorts ratio, we do have still more longs in the market overall right now, which is nice to see. You can see most of the major traders on the DEXs, the hyper liquid, where the bigger whales are sitting short. So potentially we could drop down. But again, as I said, as long as we don't lose this value area high, we could still see those shorts get squeezed towards the upside. You can see on the 2 daily chart, the 3 daily and the daily time frame, it still looks good and potentially for more upside, as I said. We did have some data today. It is already out, but as you can see, not much happened in the markets. They are basically waiting for the CPI data coming out tomorrow. And for the war headlines, those are the things that are moving the markets right now. So basically price of oil and the war headlines are moving the market. So these news right here are a bit irrelevant as of right now. But still the CPI data is gonna give us some moves tomorrow. And I do think that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.